Wonder how an insignificant pumpkin seed can turn into a rainbow-hued, healthy giant, nourishing the entire community? Well, today you get to know the secret of organic pumpkin farming, a green revolution transforming the tide of food consumption, production, and way of life back our way. Buckle up, because this ride might be just what you need to get you started on growing an organic veggie garden of your own. I remember the first time I ever was in an organic pumpkin patch. It felt fresh, earthy, and alive. Mr. Thompson, the farmer, smiled at me and said, "Hello, Big." Then he handed me one of his warm heirloom pumpkins that he had recently pulled out. It still held the heat from the sun, and I felt instantly connected to the earth. He said to me, "If you can grow a pumpkin organically, you can grow anything." That was ingrained in my head, and that is why I am here today, to promulgate the word of chemical farming and to prove to you precisely how pumpkin cultivation can be profitable as well as environment friendly. So what makes an organic pumpkin different? Well, it starts with non-GMO seeds and natural compost. While conventional farming depends on synthetic pesticides and chemicals, organic farmers use regenerative agriculture to restore soil health and increase biodiversity. That's correct. No synthetic pesticides, no toxins, just clean, nutrient-dense pumpkins. Want a healthier you? This is the way to begin. Quick question for you. Have you ever tried to eat an organic pumpkin? Comment below and let me know if you noticed a difference. Now let's discuss the number one methods that make organic pumpkin farming work. 1. Soil's preparation. Roots strong. Use organic mulch and cover crops to blanket your beds. 2. Crop rotation. Crop pumpkins with legumes or grains to deter pests and replenish soil's nutrients. 3. Support for pollinators. Pumpkin blossoms are a bee foodie favourite. Flowers that attract bees are an all-natural way to boost your crop. 4. Drip irrigation conserves water, keeps disease at bay, another essential aspect of sustainable farming. These are tried methods to produce larger, healthier pumpkins at lower environmental expense. Organic pumpkins are more than a one-use Halloween treat after they are picked. They contain vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber. From hearty pumpkin soup dishes to great pumpkin pie dishes, the colourful vegetables feed families year-round. Imagine cooking your own homegrown pumpkin dish knowing it is pesticide-free. That is the benefit of organic gardening. How? Comment below. What's your go-to pumpkin recipe? I'd love to see you cooking fresh pumpkins. Increasing numbers of people are seeking sustainable gardening, homestead farming, and organic food production. Why not? Organic farms conserve 45% of energy and emit 40% less CO2 compared to industrial agriculture. By becoming a supporter or starting an organic pumpkin farm, you're contributing to cleaner air, healthier soils, and a healthier planet. If you're thinking to yourself, this is great, but where do I begin? Well, here are 3 easy steps. 1. Buy organic pumpkin seeds from a trusted source. 2. Get your garden soil ready with natural fertilizers. 3. Take a look at our pumpkin growing guide video series right here on this channel. Remember, you don't have to have acres. A raised bed, even container gardening, will produce for you a giant pumpkin. I created this channel as an inspiration to get people interested in sustainable farming, organic vegetable growing, and off-grid living. If you're interested in learning about the permaculture principles, companion planting, and urban farming, then you're in the right place. Last question. Are you cultivating pumpkins this year? Reply with yes if you are, or no if you are thinking about it. I will do my best to reply back on as many of your comments as I can. If you liked this video, like it, subscribe, and share with fellow gardeners. Let us form a growers community that values the possibility of organic growing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, every pumpkin begins as a single seed. Plant yours today.